Timor-Leste has made much progress towards its commitment to creating a gender-equitable society where women and girls enjoy their rights to live free of violence. With the generous funding support from KOICA, Together for Equality is a 4-year $7.7 million joint UN project in support of Timor-Leste's National Action Plan on Gender-Based Violence led by SEII. Involves UN Women, UNDP, UNFPA, and IOM, works in partnership with SEII, key line ministries, and civil society. The project will reach 200,000 people in Dili, Baucau, Covalima, and Oikusi, complementing other initiatives such as the EU UN Spotlight Initiative and the Australian Nabilan Program, among others, and indirectly benefit the whole population of Timor-Leste.
Investment in preventing violence is key for gender equality. UN Women supports promising whole school and community approaches, working with students, teachers, parents to promote respectful and gender equitable relationships. We are enabling women's economic empowerment and increased access to services. We work with community members, local authorities, and media as advocates, and strengthen the implementation capacities of public institutions so that women and girls can enjoy safe public and private spaces.
UNFPA's contribution to the program focuses in 2 areas. 1, support to the health sector and the health sector response to gender-based violence. We will work by training health personnel and health officials to support survivors of violence and ensure that they get proper referrals and treatment. We will also work with prevention by working with young people in school and out of school to ensure that gender-based violence is a component of the comprehensive sexuality education programs that we manage.
UNDP will be privileged to provide services and work together with justice institutions across the entire spectrum. For example, we will be working with access to justice clinics in Swai, Okusi, Baucau, Dili districts to ensure that victims of crime, including crime against women and girls, can be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the criminal justice. We are working towards the future that is free of violence, where women and girls can realize their full potential.
IOM will contribute to strengthening the government's commitments to gender and protection, particularly within the context of disaster risk management. This includes integrating GBV prevention and response into national DRM programming and strengthening alignment with the NAP GBV. We're also looking at ensuring that first responders are linked to the referral system and that women and girls have the opportunity to participate in all assessment and planning processes in the setup of evacuation centres. In addition to this, we're also promoting community-led and designed empowerment strategies and interventions.
Violence against women and girls is one of the most persistent and pervasive human rights abuse all over the world. It stops women and girls achieving their full potential. That's why it's really good today to have another excellent partner, KOICA, joining this movement in Timor-Leste to eliminate violence against women and girls in the country.
Gender equity is human rights issue. Every human being has to be considered. We should only focus on only economic progress. Even we have to put some this gender equity issue a little behind, schedule it behind the table. This kind of main prejudice everyone has to working on. Also another prejudice I have from the many kind of sphere in Timor-Leste, I think gender equity only issue, only confined with the woman. I don't think so.
우리 정부는 여성과 함께하는 평화 구상을 출범하고 분쟁 등의 역사에서 비롯된 성폭력 피해 여성에 대한 지원을 위해 노력하고 있습니다. 이와 같은 맥락에서 우리 정부는 지난 11월 동티모르 포용 평등청 및 유엔 기구와 2020년부터 2024년까지 약 5년간 800만 불 금요 후 젠더 기반 폭력 예방 및 대응 사업을 추진키로 협의하였습니다. 이에 UN 우먼, 그다음 UNDP, UNFPA, IOM 등 분야별 전문성을 가진 UN 기구들과 다각적 파트너십을 기반으로 법적, 의료적, 제도적, 정책적 지원 등 통합적인 지원을 실시하고자 합니다.
Projeto Irané desenvolve medidas sira ou de ratang para violência baseia em Jéneru, na afeta em mabarak nyamuris, O programa Hamutuk ba Igualdade se mos facilita atu bele for apoio ba atendimento essencial sira ba vítima no sobrevivente hosi Violénsia Bazeia ba Jéneru. Violência sobre o feto no labarik feto e hani abut makashi heitani sociedade. Também danema que precisa esforço coletivo e também que o recurso adicional. Bele, Duni, ajuda Estado Timor-Leste e em esforço para combate violência sobre o feto no labarik feto, no ainda programa ne remata, ita Bele hare Duni Violénsia Bazeia ba Jéneru, menos no carik Bele remata e fatem sira nebe implementação programa SEII.